Hello everyone, my name is Anupam Yadav and I welcome you all to class 12 maths. So we were discussing about the factors and multiples. In factors and multiples, we already discussed about what is factor, what is multiples, different properties of factors and multiples. Then we further discuss about the divisibility rules of different numbers like from 2 to 11, and we already also discussed about the different types of numbers like even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, co-prime numbers. Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss about the prime factorization. Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss about the prime factorization. And so let us try to understand what is prime factorization. So you know that what is prime. Okay, you know that what is prime numbers, that is which consist only two factors, okay, one and itself. And what is the meaning of factorization? Okay, so meaning of factorization means numbers are written in a multiple form, multiplication form, are known as factorization. Okay, so let us try to understand the definition of prime factorization. Expressing a given number, okay, expressing a given number, okay, as the product of a prime numbers. Expressing a given number as a product of prime numbers is called as a prime factorization. Complete. See, okay. So let us try to understand this concept with the help of example. Okay, so you can find a prime factorization by division method. So what is division method? ठीक है, देखो क्या करना है division method में. Let us try to understand with take some small example like 20. Now I have to find the prime factorization of 20. ठीक है, so पहली चीज कि अगर हमें 20 की प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालनी है, so what we have to do कि हमें प्राइम नंबर्स निकालने पड़ेंगे और उसको प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में लिखना है. ठीक है, डिविजिबिलिटी रूल से हमें प्राइम नंबर्स, इसके जितने भी प्राइम नंबर फैक्टर्स हैं उनको निकालने पड़ेंगे एंड देन वी हैव टू राइट इन द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म. लेट अस ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट. सो दिस इज 20. नाउ वी हैव टू डिवाइडेड. ठीक है, आप ऐसे करेंगे. देन टेक अ स्मॉल नंबर, टेक अ स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर विच कैन डिवाइड कंप्लीटली, विच कैन डिवाइड 20 कंप्लीटली. ठीक है, आपको सबसे पहले आपको एक ऐसा छोटा नंबर लेना है जो कि 20 को कंप्लीटली डिवाइड करते हैं, एक्सेप्ट 1, बिकॉज 1 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. ऐसा सबसे छोटा प्राइम नंबर लेना. सो द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 2 and 2 is also 2 can easily divide 20 completely. So how many times it will take? So 10 times. 2 tens are 20. Then divide one more line. Then once again repeat the process कि what is the smallest prime number which can divide this number completely. So 2 is the smallest prime number which can divide 10 completely. And how many times? 5 times. Okay, so now once again you have to repeat the same process कि you have to write here the smallest prime number which can divide 5 itself completely. So 5 is the smallest prime number. 5 is the smallest prime number which can divide 5 completely. How many times? 1 times. So what are the prime factor? What are the prime factor of 20? So 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. Let us check. 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. ठीक है, सो these are the, देखो अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनेशन क्या बोला गया था कि किसी एक नंबर का, देखो एक्सप्रेसिंग अ नंबर, इस नंबर को हमने एक्सप्रेस किया है. एक्सप्रेसिंग अ गिवन नंबर, एक्सप्रेसिंग अ गिवन नंबर, दिस इज अ गिवन नंबर एंड वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग इट, ठीक है, एज द प्राइम, एज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर, एज द प्रोडक्ट. ये क्या है? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस आर द प्राइम नंबर्स. ठीक है, सो हमने एक गिवन नंबर को एक्सप्रेस किया है. कैसे एक्सप्रेस किया है? कि उनके प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स के साथ. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन एंड दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. ठीक है, let's take some more example to understand. Now pause the video and find the prime factorization of 90. Okay, try to understand, try to solve it. Prime factorization and of 90. ओके, आई होप कि एवरीवन इज सॉल्विंग, ठीक है. सो लेट अस चेक आउट, ठीक है. सो इफ आई विल आस्क यू कि what will be the prime factorization of 90, ठीक है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू कि सबसे पहले आप एक हॉरिजॉन्टल एक वर्टिकल लाइन खींचोगे एंड यू विल राइट हियर 90 आप यहाँ पे लिख लिया. नाउ टेक द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर. अब क्या करो कि सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर लो, ठीक है, जो 90 को कंप्लीटली डिवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है. सो 2 इज द, और हमने डिविजिबिलिटी रूल पढ़ा ही है. सो 2 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. अगर 2 इसको कंप्लीटली डिवाइड कर देगा, कैसे पता चला? बिकॉज यहाँ पे यूनिट डिजिट पे क्या था? 0 था, ठीक है. सो 2 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर विच कैन डिवाइड 90 कंप्लीटली. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 45 times. Okay, now we have to take the smallest, once again the smallest prime number which can divide 45 completely. So what will be that number? 3 is that number, because adding both the numbers 4 plus 5 you will get 9, and 9 is completely divided by 3. This is the divisibility rule of 3, ठीक है. So how many times? 15 times, ठीक है. How many times? 15 times. Now take the smallest number which can divide 15 easily completely. So once again 3 will be the smallest prime number, and how many times? 5 times. 5 3s are 15, and finally you get 5 is the only number which can divide 5 at once time. जैसे ही यहाँ पे 1 आएगा you have to stop. आपको यहाँ पे stop हो जाना है. So how many prime numbers you are getting? 1 2 3 4 numbers, ठीक है. So 90 can be, so prime factor of 90, prime factorization of 90 is, that is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. If you will multiply all the numbers, then definitely you will get 90. So this is the prime factorization. This is the prime factorization of किसका? 90 का. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? सारे factorization है किसके? 90 के, ठीक है. So I hope, and this is the process how to find the prime factorization of any number. So I hope कि it is clear to each and everyone. Try to solve so many examples. On the basis of this you can easily get the concept. Okay, so our next topic is, that is highest common factor. It is one of the most important part, ठीक है, and it is totally based upon the prime factorization. So I hope कि you already understand the concept of prime factorization. If you are not, then you can easily go on my YouTube channel and you can easily find the video on prime factorization. After watching that video, okay, you can come here. So what is highest common factor or the greatest common factor? Okay, so there are 3 steps, as the name suggests: highest, maximum, highest, common between the factors of 2 or more than 2 numbers. It means कि those numbers, ऐसे 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा नंबर जिसमें सबसे बड़ा जो common factor होगा ना, that will be the highest HCF of that number, ठीक है. It is very easy to find out. So you have to follow the 3 steps. How many steps? You have to follow the 3 steps. Step 1, as usual, find all the factors of each of given number. You have to find all the factors of each of the given number. Now the second step is find their common factors. Now you have to find the how many factors are there common between them. Okay, now finally the third step is the largest of the common factor is become the HCF of given number. So after finding the common factors between the numbers, the highest common factor will become the HCF of that given numbers. So let us try to understand with the help of an example. Okay, you can easily get the concept. So let us take example of 15 and 20. Take a small example like 15 and 20. So find the HCF of 15 and 20. Find HCF आपको निकालना है किसका 15 and 20 का. So what is the first step? You have to write down the factor of both the numbers, ठीक है. So what will be the factor of 15? So what will be the factor of 15? Sorry, what will be the factor of 15? That is 1 3 3 and 5, okay, and 15. Now what will be the factor of 20? The next number is 20. So the next is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So these are the factor of 20 and these are the factor of 15. Now you have to find how many factors are common between both the numbers. How many factors are common between both the numbers? कितने factor हैं जो दोनों में common है? पहला तो 1 है आपका, so 1 is common between them. Then the next one is 5, so 5 is also common between them. So 1 and 5 are the two numbers which is common between both 15 and 20. So 1 and 5 are the two factors which are common between 15 and 20. यही दो नंबर है जो दोनों में common है, ठीक है. And out of both the numbers, इन दोनों नंबर में से which one is highest? That is 5 is the highest one. 5 is the largest one. So 5 will become the HCF of 15 and 20. So 5 is the HCF of 15 and 20. So I hope it is clear to everyone. You can easily find the HCF of any number, only you have to follow all the 3 steps. The first one is find the factors of each of the number, then you have to write all the common factors, okay? And out of these common factors, the highest number, the highest common factor will become the HCF of the given numbers. Okay, thank you so much. This is all about today's class, and in next class we will discuss about the LCM and the more question. We will solve more question on the base of LCM and SCM. Thank you so much and have a nice day. God bless you.